The reason we're calling it Confederation because it's a conglomerate of all the federations in each frequency spectrum. It's been known that the Galactic Confederation is the Council of 12 and has been for some time, but secretly run by the Council of 9. Basically that's what's been going on. Okay? Because the light, with the two expressions of energy, the light was seen to be passive in its own right, and that energy was the one preferred to be utilised for first establishing the Galactic Confederation of Light. Now it's openly run by the Council of 9, by the energy of balance. Okay, so now I'm going through, that was a bit of ancient history on the Confederation. It sits in the star system known as Lyra. Okay. It's pretty much the governing body. It's kind of like the United Nations here on Earth. And it's run in line with the creational hierarchy, with the hierarchical forces of creation. It's not a religious structure. It's just when you understand what is, you work with that, you respect that hierarchical structure and you work with it, and that's all there is to it. It's not about illusion, control. It's none of that. In some of the TV shows like I believe Star Trek, they talked about the universal law of non-interference, and that is a fact, and that's why I'm here talking to you. Our planet is surrounded by ships of the Federation, but we're not showing ourselves because not enough people here want us to come in yet and help. And that is an absolute fact of reality. If we have more people on this planet that want us to come here and help, we will immediately come in. We're ready to go. Absolutely ready to go. New technologies, everything. Restructure the whole planet. We can do it. We've done it many times over. We've restructured entire star systems in many different dimensional realities. We are proficient at this, and it will be done peacefully, calmly, sanely, with the utmost respect of every culture, and that's what we're waiting for. We're negotiating with the authorities on the planet, and it's important that this message gets out, that we start saying, hey, we're coming to the close of a cycle, something's got to give. At the moment, the authorities don't wish to give, so something else is going to give. And we are a fork in the road. We are at a fork in the road. And as a sitting councillor of the Federation and the Syrian Council, I put this message forward to this planet. And it's important that this message gets out, because if we do not come in and start changing the operational frequency of humanity on this planet, then the planet herself as a living being is going to do it herself. And it's not a doomsday prediction, it's just what is. It's the operational frequency of the planet and the planetary systems, and we really need to understand that. It's not sitting here saying you're all going to die, nothing like that. I don't want to enter that energy, okay? It's not about that. It's just understanding the evolutionary processes that are here today at hand and the ones that are rapidly approaching for all of us. It's important that you do that, because it's not about everyone copying it, okay? It's not about that. No, the governments are just puppets. They're just tools that are used to... what it is a handful of... I've had personal interactions with the one that sits at the top of the tree. I'll just refer to him as the beast. That's it. He's really stubborn. He's the one that pulls the strings and the rest of them. It's a couple of rebel establishments from out in the cosmos. This is a universal planet here, and you have in incarnational form here all different races from out there, and each celestial management structure out there has a finger in the pie here. And what's happened is a rebel group has gotten it out of control. 6,000 years ago they came to the planet, and it's been out of control ever since.